I'm on Hilton Head Island. Just had to walk a mile across that creek. Now we're gonna kick all these birds off their island. As long as the water ain't too deep. Drop my rod in the mud, trying to save myself from sinking. But that's not here nor there. We're gonna rinse her off. Look at, this is what I wanted to see. Oh, right there, bait all in here. This is great. This is great. I'm gonna get some fresh bait. I don't have a big setup. That's all right. Here I come. You remember me? These birds hate me. Oh, it's just a couple of hours. And then you can come on back. Look at this crab. Didn't expect me out here, did you? Nice shell right there. Horseshoe crab. Here we go. This is where I wanna be. This is where I want to be. Alright, I'm gonna get set up. Rig changed over to a fish finder with a pyramid sinker. More suitable for this setup. Fresh piece of cut squid here. Just hook it once through, thread it back through again. Just like that. Yeah, this thing, look at all the mud. Definitely need a good clean tonight, don't we, baby? Well, it's not too deep. See the bar out there? I have had success here in the past. Soon the pogies will be everywhere out here. Alright. See if that'll stick. Now once this gets a little shallower, I'll be able to see better. What is that? Right there, right there. It was. That's a money shot right there. Jackpot. Man, if it was tarpon season right now, oh my goodness. These are the perfect tarpon size mullet. Look at this rod. Oh no. I was gonna lose the rod. What is it? Don't be a stingray. Come on, baby. Oh, what are you? It's not that heavy. Damn near stole the rod. Freaking A. Come on in. I don't know what we got here, folks. It's not sticking to the ground. It's not head shaking like a shark. And I guess I didn't feel the initial run. I don't think it's a red. Black drum, maybe? That was on squid. So shark, small shark. He doesn't like the beach. Surprised it hadn't broke me yet. Come on, tie her out. Come on in. Let you go. Bonnet head? I think it's a bonnet head. Yeah, it looks like a bonnet head. You don't want to come aboard. Come on. Come on. We're gonna let you go. We're gonna let you go. Calm down. Nice size bonnet. Easy. Easy. You're caught. You're caught. Okay, you're caught. You've been caught. Stop it. You've been caught. It's over. You won't get away till I let you go. And I will. If you just give me a second. How good are you hooked? Shh, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. There you go. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Go to sleep. There you go. Go to sleep. Easy. They are so strong. Even a little shark like this. These pliers are so junk. Get this little part in there. Easy. Here we go, here we go. Going home. Get out of here. Other way. You gotta go that way. Are you coming for revenge? You're gonna beat yourself. Where you going? Let me hold you out here. I know you don't like me, but I want you to live. So I'm gonna help you. Get your bearings straight. This is the wrong way. You need to go that way. Trying to get right again. There he goes. There you go. Attaboy. Just took him a minute. Just right through the top of his jaw. Just like that. Breathe. Need you lively. Need you lively. Come on. Come on, buddy. There you go. Pretty solid chance we'll get sharked, but there's a small chance of a king mackerel, a cobia, big old red. I mean, how sick would that be to sling up a king from here? I've heard it's been done. Cobia for sure. Oh, there's a school of mullet right here. Something right there. Oh, that's a big school. Dang. I could fill my freezer out today. We're gonna get up here. See if we can get you deep. See if we can get you pretty deep. Here's where the mud starts, so probably as good as I'll get it. Mud, 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 mud. I mean, that's some good current right there. This is as far as we go together, friend. Flew right into my line. I'm trying to get you out. I'm not gonna hurt you. Dang, this isn't a pelican either. I don't want to mess with you. Alright? Which way is it route? Easy, 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 easy. Trying to help you, alright? I'm trying to help you. Calm down, calm down, calm down. I don't see how you're hooked. You're tied in a knot. Alright? I'm trying, I'm trying. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh! I think a fish got it. A friggin' fish took it after the bird got it. Holy crap! This gotta be a big shark. Yeah, he's heavy. Thanks, bird. Yep, he broke. I knew it was gonna. It's a big shark. Alright, we changed things up a little bit since there's big old sharks out there. I changed over to a 80-pound fluoro, bigger hook with a loop knot in hopes to minimize break-offs. That was just crazy because, man, I was never getting him. That bird, I couldn't believe that. Let me get another live mullet out. Oh boy. We don't have much line for this. We don't have the line for this. Come on. Gotta be a smaller one. Sharp nose, black tip. Come on. Just want to see you. What'll it be? Shark. Bigger. He's decent size anyway. Can't believe he didn't break it. Back tip. Yep. Been a while since I've seen one of you. Easy, friend, easy. Easy. You're coming with me. I'm gonna get you back. Don't tighten too much. She's got a little shark. Yeah, don't tighten too much because it's only 30-pound braid. Make sure it's not too tight. Aiden's gonna miss it. This will be Tequila's first shark of the season, huh, baby? Oh, you got a nice one. Come on now. Took the live mullet. Play them nice and easy because it's weak line and there's no steel. Feel like a shark?
I don't know what it feels like. It's weird.
It'd be nice if it was a big red.
It just keeps coming, like it'll come in and then it goes back out. Like right now.
Well, if it's a cobia, I'm going to push you to the ground and take the pole, okay?
These are a black tip or a sand shark.
Yeah. What is this? This ain't a bonnet head.
Look at these sharks.
Don't get in the way of the line. Is this a small tiger? No, it's a sharp nose. Yeah, I know, he's dead. Whoa. Look at the spots on this guy.
That's what his looks like over there.
Oh, ow.
That's what his looks like over there.
Yeah, it's a sharp nose. Huh? They all do. Right behind the head. Just go ahead. Be strong. Right behind the head. Yeah, just real strong. There you go. Gotcha.